we're at Basel House, and we're doing this pretty special thing where we got all of the Monster Energy artists together on one wall, which has never happened before.
We got Adam Fu, we got Risk, we got Mimi, we got Jeks, we got Hiero.
We got Hiero over here with the bird and the crazy eyeballs. That's a signature style.
Monster Energy pop-up right here at my hometown. To start off, you have the background isms, which is Risk Rock. Then you got the Vertigo Man, the double exposure, the weird boy Jeks in the middle with the super duper portrait of Mimi twice. And then you have Adam Fu coming in with the neon step to my right over here. You know, we in Florida, pink, green, lit up.
I'm loving it. We're getting Riskies, butterflies. Jeks did a tribute to Mimi.
Being a portrait artist, and that's kind of what I'm known for, I got asked to paint, you know, a lot of famous rappers or people I don't really know. In the past year or two, I've really focused on making sure I paint my friends and people that I'm connected with.
It's a huge honor. Not many women in graffiti are celebrated as much as they should be. I'm really just a loss for words. It's so beautiful.
So with this piece, I wanted to showcase kind of what I've been doing the last year, which is this crazy overlay. I like to make people kind of get dizzy when they look at my piece because then they'll remember it.
We got Balloonski about to install his 20-foot gator on the top.
I made this big ass gator in homage to my home state, which is Florida. And I just am really happy to be here with Monster Energy, surrounded by giants.
It's like a seal of approval to be represented by Monster Energy at Art Basel. Being home, it's almost like coming back and like with an Olympic medal and shit. Like we've been running around all year, and now we get to stamp it here as well, you know? So shout out to Monster Energy for that.